I'm going to show you how TrendWriter sends you a daily email with fresh content, whether it's video or a blog post or anything else that you could post on your social media or website. So you'll receive a daily email like this. Click review and post. And as you can see here, the thumbnail is ready for me and the video is ready for me to review.
In the world of sports, challenges come in many forms.
If I don't like anything, if I don't like the music, if I don't like the transition, if I don't like something that's being said, I can just go back to the previous step, make some changes and have it render again. Once I'm good to go, I hit post. It already has a short form post for me and a long form post. The video is already attached. I can go ahead and hit post. It already knows that my ideal time is 3 p.m. or 9 a.m. And as you could see, it's past 3 p.m. today, so it's either tomorrow at 3 p.m. or tomorrow at 9 a.m. or I could just override it and say post right now. That's it. It's already linked to all my social media accounts. It will link and post to all those accounts in those 3 simple steps. Now let me show you how I set up this project so I receive those daily emails. So now I'm going to actually show you how I set up a project to send me a video once a day. So when you first start, you have your tokens, you start off, there's no projects, you create a new project, and it's going to ask you for the type of project that you want to create. If you want a long form video, short form video, blog post, whatever it may be, even if you want to set up your own chatbot here, I'll show you a glimpse of that later on. But for now, we're just going to do a simple video long form. Now it's going to ask me about my company. It's going to ask me, what is it that I do? What are my products and services? And I can give it anything that I want right here. And it will try to interpret that information so it could best understand who we are as a company and my brand. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and use a sample one, which is Nike. Now it's going to ask me, what kind of topics do you want to create videos about? Do you want trending topics on the internet? Do you want custom topics? Do you want to enter in your topic manually? For now, I'm just going to select a trending topic. So since I'm Nike, I'm going to go ahead and find something that, let's see here, former Kentucky basketball. That works. That's sports. This is the topic that's trending right now. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next. Now for the first time, it's going to ask me a series of questions. It's going to say, for your video, when you're transitioning from scene to scene, what kind of transition do you want? And you could see there are many different types of transitions based on the brand and look that I'm going for. There's a plethora to select from, but I'm going to go ahead and select something simple. Let's just do these circles. Now it's going to ask you, for the images that we're going to render for this video, what is the image style that we're looking for? And you can see there's anywhere from 8-bit, anime, dreamscape, whatever it may be. You select the type of image that works best for you. I'm going to go ahead and select realistic. Now it's going to ask me for music. I don't have to put music, but let's go find something. Let's see, American Idol. Yeah, that sounds good. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Now you can see it's already created my storyboard with a series of scenes that's going to comprise the video that we're going to create. And without going into the particular topic, I haven't told it yet from my brand voice to be witty, to be salesy, to be professional, to act like a reporter. I haven't told it anything in specific. It's just going to do a standard video. One thing to note is that all the content that you create, you can have it be completely agnostic and just talk about the topic that you've given it, or you can actually instruct the AI to tie in your brand creatively into the topic. But all of this can be modified later. Now, when I come in here, I can AI a particular image, and it's going to say basketball court, photo, indoors, or I can select from pre-selecting images. Just these are all pre-rendered that are free. Or I can upload my own image. Right now, all I'm going to do is say, go ahead and generate AI images for all the scenes. So I'm going to go ahead and generate all images. Now, as you can see here, it's going to start showing me the images that it's imagining for me. it will generally give me 4 options to select from per scene. So when it turns green here, it tells me that it's ready. I'm going to go ahead and select this one. From here, I'm going to go ahead and select this image. And for the basketball here, I'm going to go ahead and select this. Now that they're all done, I'm going to go ahead and just hit next. Now it's asking me while the video is rendering, would I like to create a thumbnail? Would I like to automate this? I'm going to go ahead and set up the automation. And then right here it says, hey, what email would you like to send it to? And how many times would you like to set up a schedule? Right now it's suggesting automate daily at 9 a.m. and send it to this email address. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, go ahead Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. So now you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I didn't have to enter in this manually. And I'm going to say, you know what, at 9 a.m. is a good time to post. And I'm going to say 3 p.m. is a good time to post as well. That's 3 p.m. Send it to this email address. And I can click here to link to all my social media accounts. And when I post, it'll post to all those social media accounts. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And now I'm going to get a daily email with all the trending topics that I select from with a pre-rendered video. So I'm going to go ahead and create a thumbnail for this right now. And I'm just going to type in title, subtitle, and tagline. Then I'm going to select a style. So I think, you know what, this style works for me. And I'm going to select a different image. I really like this image right here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit generate. Now while it's generating, this button here shows you an AI bot that can help you with anything that you want from TrendWriter. The AI bot that you create is exactly the same type of AI bot. So when you create a project with an AI bot, you just train it on your data, your products, your services, your return policies. If you want it to be a tutor that is a specialist in World War II, you can give it information about that. You give it the instructions on what you want it to be a domain expert on and how you want it to behave. In this case, I'm going to say, what is the cost of creating a video? As you see here, it went ahead and gave me a detailed answer of how much it would actually cost me to create a video. And again, you can create your AI bots and put it on your website exactly the same way that this behaves here. Now, in the meanwhile, our thumbnail is ready. I'm going to go ahead and use this thumbnail. And you know what? I don't want to create a blog post with this. I'm just going to wait for my email to show up on my inbox so I can post it. And that's it.